Welcome to my channel. My name is Rhea and this is a 15-minute full body toning workout. So we have 15 different moves, 40 seconds of work followed by a rest of 20 seconds. When we rest for 20 seconds, I will demonstrate the next exercise for you. So this workout is divided into 3 sections. We'll start with the lower body, 5 moves, followed by the upper body, 5 moves, and then finish off with abs, 5 moves. Right, so total of 15 minutes. This is a no jumping workout and you don't need any equipment to complete this workout. You can use a mat or a soft surface for the upper body and the ab section of this workout. So now I'm going to put on the timer and then we'll get started. But before that, I do request you to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I post a video. And if you want to warm up, there's a warm up video in the description box. The link is there. And after the workout, you can also cool down. The link to the cool down is also in the description box. So now I'm going to put on the timer and then we'll get started together. So we'll start with squats. So you're just going to do regular squats. Right, and if you're new and you're just starting out, you can always use a chair or a furniture for support, right? So when the timer rings, we'll start with squats. So let's get into position and squats. Twenty seconds to go. Rest. Next up, reverse lunges. Lunge, back, lunge, back. So when the timer rings, that's what we'll start with. Five seconds. Rest. Next up, wide squat position, feet open, down, up, down, up. Let's go. Twenty seconds to go. Ten seconds. Rest. Next up, curtsy lunges. So you can stand with your feet slightly open and down, back, down, back. We have one more lower body move after this. Ten seconds. rest. Next up, on the floor, glute bridges. So up and down, up and down, and squeeze your glutes as you lift up. Let's go. This is the last lower body move. Rest. Now we are going to start with the upper body section, and we're going to start with push-ups. So two options. You can do this on your knees, right? Or if you wish, off your knees. Twenty seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. Rest. Next up, two options again. So on the knees, right? Shoulder taps. Or in a plank position, shoulder taps. Twenty seconds. Almost there. 15. 5 seconds. Rest. All right, next up, all fours, right? Out, back, out, back. So right hand and left leg and then reverse. Ten seconds. We're almost there. Rest. Next up, we're going to work the triceps. So, tricep dips. Right? Bend from the arms, not the hips. It's not the hips, it's the arms. We have one more upper body move after this. 30 seconds. Twenty seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. All right, next up we have, in this position, we are going to tap, 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 tap. This is going to work your balance as well as your triceps, the back of the arms. All right, let's go. Ten seconds. 5. Rest. So we've done the lower body, we've done the upper body. Now it's the abs. 5 more moves. First move, crunches. So just 5 more moves and then we're done. All right. Rest. Next up, you can keep your hands under the lower back support. It's not necessary, but if you prefer, you can. And bicycles. So that's next. All right, let's go. Rest. Next up, crunches, hands behind the head, knees at 90, alternate, alternate. So bicycle crunches. Let's go. Rest. Next up, it's low plank. Just gonna hold here, and that's it. So 40 seconds of low plank hold. It's an isometric move, and it's gonna work your core. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds. rest. Now it's our last move, and what we're going to do is a high plank position and out, out, in. So 20 seconds, the right leg goes out first and then left leg goes out first. I will tell you when to change legs. All right, let's go. Change legs, left leg out first. Rest. So that was your 15-minute toning workout. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to cool down. The link is in the description box below. And now I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.